Hi creative, welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn how to create motion graphics on your phone using Alight Motion. And this course has 8 lessons. As you can see here, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7, and lesson 8. Alright, so you will learn how to create promotional videos, you know how to create social media art videos, motion graphics, explainer videos in this course, right? Now, before you watch this course, make sure you watch this one, right? So watching this one is very important because this is the basics, and you need to understand the basics before you start creating videos. Okay, so this is the basics, while this one is the practical. Right, so if you have watched this one, you have completed the course here from lesson 1 to lesson 6, then you can now move to the next one, which is this. So this one, you will not learn the basics here. Alright, so what you are going to learn here is just the motion graphics, how to create videos, how to create promotional videos, how to create spinner videos. That's what you will learn here. Nothing, you will not learn basics. So when you want to watch this, you start from lesson 1. Don't watch lesson 8.
Clean your
For you to understand and get results, you need to start from lesson 1, right? Start from lesson 1.
So increase the bit.
Watch it to the end.
Take it down.
Read description. Practice what you learn. Get the resources used here. As you can see, download the resources used here.
So take it.
Download the resources used here. So click on the link, then open it in your browser. Whether you're using Chrome browser, you are using Google browser, just open it. Alright, so these are the resources used in the practical. Can you see? So make sure you watch this one. You watch to the end, you practice what you learn, then before you move on to the next lesson. Okay, so don't just watch this to half, then you move to the next lesson. It won't help you that way. So for you to get results and for you to become better at motion design, you need to be disciplined. You need to be intentional and disciplined. Discipline means that not skipping any tutorial, watching to the end without skipping. So watch it to the end, practice what you learn by getting the resources here. Then when you are done, you can move on to the next lesson. Alright, so this is lesson 2. We can move on to the next lesson, right? Lesson 2. Creating motion graphics for a fashion and lifestyle brand. So you can get the resources here as well. So these resources. So make sure this one too you watch to the end. You practice what you learn by getting the resources here. Then when you are done watching, you move on to the next lesson, lesson 3. So
hello everyone, this is Femi and I welcome you to the third.
You can get the resources you use in the description. As you can see, download the resources used here. So just click on the link to download the resources. So make sure this one too you watch it to the end. Don't skip. Practice what you learn. Then when you are done watching, you move on to the next lesson, lesson 4.
Right? I've been trading for a while, but let me tell you, finding a good
lesson 4. So lesson 4 as well, you watch it, download the resources here, then you move on to the next lesson, lesson 5. So that's how you watch it. Make sure you watch one lesson to the end before you watch the next lesson. So don't jump from lesson 1 then jump to lesson 2. That's wrong. So lesson 1, watch to the end, practice. Then lesson 2, watch to the end, practice. Then 3, same thing. Lesson 4 as well, same thing. Lesson 5, watch to the end and practice. Lesson 6, same thing. Don't skip. Make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you watch to the end and practice. Right? So you can get the resources here as well. Watch to the end, practice. And lesson 8 as well. watch the end and practice. Do not skip.
So bring it here and this.
Do not forward,
Just
right?
use this side.
Take your time to watch, and you can also get the resources used. You can get it here as well. Okay, so this resources used here. You can get it here. So you can get resources used here as well. So watch the end. Don't rush yourself. Take your time, right? So when you are done watching all the lessons from lesson 1 to lesson 8, then you can now receive your certificate. You can see at the left side here there's a button, view product. So this is where you can get a certificate. You can see SMDH on pencil certificate. So certificate is just 2,000 naira, right? 2,000 naira, and so when you want to get it, just click on view and take you down to the website where you can get it, right? So instantly when you get the certificate, your name will be added to it, and also my signature too will be added to it. Okay, so you can see your certificate here by paying 2,000 naira. So that's just it for the course here. Okay, we don't charge for it. So everything here is free, right? Everything
Moniepoint is giving you.
You're seeing here is free. So we're not charging you anything. So this one too is free. This one is free. Every course here is free. So it only costs you 2,000 naira to get the certificate, right? Get certificate. So that's that about this course, Master Motion Graphics on your phone using Ally Motion. So as I said, don't start or rush to lesson 8, right? Make sure you start from lesson 1, watch to the end. Lesson 2, watch to the end. Lesson 3, watch to the end before you move to the next lesson, because there are some things I share in each lesson, and if you don't watch it from the first lesson to the last lesson, there's no way you can understand. And if you don't understand a concept, if you don't understand the tools that I use, or the information I share in each lessons, then there's no way you can create in-depth standard motion design, right? So take your time, and when you're watching each lesson, right, if you don't understand, you can ask question using the comment. Okay, so you can type your question here. Hi Femi, good morning or good afternoon, depending on the time. I don't know how you create this scene. Listen, please, can you explain, right? So you can just add the scene. Click here to add the scene, right? So you can just add the scene. So I don't know how you create this scene. Just send it. So I'm going to receive it in my own end here, and I'm going to watch it. Okay, I'm going to watch the scene. Okay, you don't know how I send the scene. Alright, then I will now break it down for you, explain everything for you. Once I send this, I'm going to receive it, right? So anytime you have question, make use of this comment box. It is there for a reason, so make use of it, right? So that's that about that, right? So that's it. When you complete the course, you get a certificate, then you move on to the next course, which is creating motion player training, right? And this is just the so what we have currently is just 3 courses, but we are going to have more courses in the future. We just have 3, which is the motion flyer course, the motion design course, and the motion graphics course, right? So that's what we have currently. Okay, so yeah, thanks so much for watching this tutorial, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for being part of this movement, for being part of the brand, and I will see you in the next video.